In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a frame in Miro to PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab one or multiple frames from your board and turn them into a clean, shareable document. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board that contains the frame you want to export. Click directly on the frame to select it. If you need to export several frames at once, hold Shift and click each frame, or click and drag to draw a selection box around them. After you've made a broad selection, use the filter button, the little funnel icon that appears in the context menu, to keep only frames selected. This helps avoid grabbing extra widgets by mistake and ensures your PDF contains just the content you intend. A quick tip here. Frames act as boundaries, so anything inside the frame will export and anything outside won't. If something is getting cut off, resize the frame to include it before you proceed. With your frame or frames selected, look for the three dots icon. You can find it in the top left corner of the interface, or it may appear in the floating context menu near your selection. Click it to open more options. If you don't see the menu, make sure a frame is actively selected. The bounding box should be visible around it. Hover over Export, then choose Save as PDF. This tells Miro to collect the selected frames and prepare them as a PDF file. If you selected multiple frames, each frame typically becomes a separate page in the PDF, keeping your content organized. Orientation usually follows the frame's shape, so wide frames render landscape and tall frames render portrait. Next, you'll see the export window. Here, choose the quality and page settings that best fit your needs. Best quality is ideal for printing, workshops, or when you want crisp detail on screenshots and images. Small file size is handy for quick sharing over email or chat, where file limits matter. Consider your audience. For executive reviews or printing, go high quality. For fast feedback or large sets of frames, a smaller file is often enough. If page or scaling options are available, pick the setting that preserves your content without unwanted margins or cropping. Finally, click Export. Miro will generate the PDF and download it through your browser, usually to your default downloads folder. Larger boards or many frames may take a moment, so give it a bit of time. If an export fails or the option appears unavailable, double check that you've selected at least one frame and that you have permission to export on that board. That's it. Your Miro frame is now a polished PDF, ready to share, print, or archive.